Hi guys. I used a 3D scan model of the Mercedes 300SL Speedster Widebody and divided it into sections. Then I saved a digital car-buck files in the JPEG and DXF format. These digital car-buck files need to print on a regular paper printer or need to cut on a CNC or laser machine to obtain wooden car-buck sections. From this wooden sections need to assemble a car-buck. Then the space between the sections need to fill with construction foam and the surface covered with construction putty. Next, need to make fiberglass molds for the further production of a fiberglass body. The fiberglass body is made from the resulting fiberglass molds. The finished fiberglass body is installed on a suitable donor car or on a homemade frame. The Mercedes 300SL Speedster Widebody is ready. The most important thing is to make the body. It's like Lego, but for men. Many of my clients make this without any experience. First, be sure to watch this short video. And after that, if you need digital car-buck files, then
Welcome!